Welcome back to the old homestead. I'm fixing to split a little kindling here. I've been down in my foot and couldn't get out. Been so cold I couldn't get out and do nothing. Since it's warm enough now, I can get out and split a little kindling and we can be outside a while. This is old, what they call a pole axe, single bit Collins axe. That's the brand name of it, Collins. It's about 50-year old. I'll see if I can split a little wood with it. Make me a little kindling in case my fire goes out. I'll have kindling to just kindle it back up, you know. I'll get that to stand up there where I can hit it. Yeah. Been so darn cold, can't get outside till today. Don't like that staying in the house. I drink too much when I stay in the house. Oh, so that's wild cherry. That's the reason it splits easy. It makes good kindling, wild cherry does. Wild cherry makes the best kindling. Getting birchwood. Birchwood makes off a good kindling. Cedar makes good kindling. I got wood left over from last year where I cut it. It's huge. I like to cut wood. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, my foot's still sore. But it's getting better. Already, that's enough kindling to do me 2 days. My fire hardly ever goes out. I keep it 24 hours a day. But I like to keep a little kindling on hand in case it does go out. I get to splitting big wood, I have to use that big maul. Little axe just won't do it. Oh. Well, I swear, it's so damn clumsy. So, I'll get this kindling in there. I'm getting ready to take me a nap. I can't do much work, but what, don't have to lay down and take a nap. It's the way it is when you get old. I'll see you all next time.